Morning from the Contemporary Resort from the Bay Lake Tower. I filmed a little bit of the magical water pageant last night for you, and I've popped it on yesterday to finish off the vlog. We are heading down to the quick service in the Contemporary Resort to grab some breakfast, and then Mason's going to have a quick half-hour swim in the pool before we head to Magic Kingdom. So we're going to get checked out and leave our luggage with the Contemporary reception until this evening.
That's what the pool looks like. It's got a slide.
Yeah, Mason's very excited about the pool because it has a slide. It doesn't open till 10, so we're going to grab some breakfast first.
This is my breakfast.
He's going to have a very quick dip.
Very quick.
Yeah, well, half an hour, and then he can get changed down there and we'll head off to Magic Kingdom. So we will see you down at right. This is the Contempo Cafe.
I want Mickey to...
Right next to Chef Mickey's, so we can actually see the characters from here when they come out. And the monorail runs behind us. Right. We might see Mickey. We might see him through there.
Standing up.
He's a very clever dog. Look, there's Peter. This huge Mickey waffle.
Look at mine.
Mason's devouring his already. So you can get the banana and caramel sauce for no extra. Yum yum. So we're just down at the Contemporary pool. I promised Mason he can have half hour down here because it's got a really cool slide. And then we are heading into the Magic Kingdom. Quite nice out here like this, isn't it, Daddy?
Oh, do you know what I need?
I like this.
I was relaxing.
I've got my coffee.
I got hot chocolate.
And I'm laxing. There he is. We're here, Magic Kingdom.
Right, here we go.
Whose magic band's going to go wrong?
Daddy's.
Oh yeah, it's not done there.
$1 million.
Hi. Oh, it's worked.
I don't know. I've got no idea.
Oh, every time yours goes wrong. Here you leave today and enter a world of yesterday, tomorrow and fantasy. Are you excited to meet Mickey? Mickey the Magician. So it's not bad, we've waited about 20 minutes to see Mickey the Magician. And we're just going in now.
Right here by the red banner, okay? Can you all wait together right over here by the red banner?
I'm here, Mary.
Thank you so much. And y'all are going to have right over here by the roses, okay?
Thank you.
It's so great to see you all today. Love your face selection.
Thanks, Mickey. We just met Mickey, Magician Mickey.
Drink,
Yeah, and it was, like I said, it's only like a 20-minute wait, so it was really low, wasn't it, Mace? So we've got a lightning lane booked for just over half an hour for Space Mountain.
Oh,
It's going to be.
I should have brought my bubble one.
It's going to be Mason's first ride on Space Mountain
Mummy.
because he was too small last time. That was nice. Oh, Mace, I want one of these.
I want one of these.
Whoa. Ah, look at these, Mace. Oh, look. Oh, look. Yeah, those are, it'd be a bit messy to eat, most. You're better off getting a Rice Krispie cake. Oh my god, I'm going to have a look over here. Okay. What are you fancying, Mace? They got more stuff over here. Look what they've got. So, oh, Mason, look, they got a cookie pie in there.
Cookie pie.
Yeah.
Can I have one of those mini?
Not many. Thanks. Now that is what we call M&M's.
It's time to celebrate!
50th is. I do like this one as well. Trevor, I like this one as well. Yeah.
Please, can I have that monorail?
No. Because you've got a monorail at home.
That one's old.
Oh yeah, they are cool.
One's old and I've lost it.
Just because things are old, we don't get rid of them. We would have got rid of Grandma a long time ago. And bits don't work on here as well, but... Just heading down Space Mountain. What have you brought? Turn it round so we can see what it says. People Mover, the best ride here. I don't really know. Yeah, a little bit faster next. Yeah.
This is how dog is going to be.
Yeah.
Other conditions that could be aggravating this adventure.
Joke's on us! Blast off, Jen. Here we go.
Keep your hands up, hands over, restart the vehicle. As well as
children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip.
Here we go.
It goes upside down, I forgot to tell you.
Woo!
Why do we not have a sequel then?
Special gravity keeps you in,
It's Mickey's magic that keeps you in.
and you're going to go upside down.
This is my favourite ride.
Is it?
Yeah.
So keep your eyes
I like
peeled. You never know who you might see.
That's great. Why are we not wearing a mask? Space Mountain.
And now, tomorrow, fans at Authority proudly presents Progress City. Walt Disney's many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
I wish Tron was open.
Dragon the Force name.
We've started to put the roof on. That's going to be Tron, the new coaster, where you sit on motorbikes.
The Carousel Theater will present a warm and entertaining portrayal of how life has changed dramatically.
Came to see. And since then, the Carousel of Progress has had more performances than any other stage show in the history of American theater.
Beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
Hi!
Goes to Horseman's Carriage.
Horseless carriage. Just heading into the haunted mansion.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Can I give you some bird food?
Rest on a table. It's time to respond.
Playful spooks have interrupted our two. Playful spooks have interrupted our two.
Dance the night away, I let my head down the fire one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.